Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a landscape scene. I'm probably going to have liquid clear just in my sky. Now this is all going to be dry down here. It's going to have some water in it, going to have some trees, some bushes, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started on our sky. We're going to take some Prussian blue and we're going to start up in here. Get a little bit more on that. Do some crisscross strokes. Just run it across. Yeah, I hope you like today's painting. I think it'll probably turn out well. And that's all you can hope for now, isn't it? Just want to turn out well. Take a touch of black. Just a touch of black throw in here. Touch of black, get some more blue. A few dark areas, a few light areas. Probably going to bring it down, probably in here somewhere. Sure is streaky looking today, isn't it? Grab this out. Take a little bit of white. White in here. Where else could I use a little white? Let's put a little bit right in here. Just keep working on it till we get it the way we want it. Look, yeah, I just want to, I don't care about clouds today. I just want some different colors in my sky. A little more white there. I like that white right there. Just keep working on it. That don't look too bad. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start making some background trees. That's a picture I'm looking at here, all the way down through here. My water is going to start right in here. These are going to be kind of distant. Yeah, this is just black and white. What I got going on here. Then I'm going to come over them with a little touch of green. These kind of trees look pretty. I like how they look because they definitely look far away. And you don't want to use too much black in it. Because remember, we're going to go over this with some green. Got a spotted tree here, don't I? Don't want a spotted tree. Let's get some more. These are going to probably be taller here and a little taller over here. Let's get another touch of black. See my palette here. I got a mess going on. This is my second painting today. This is my day off supposedly, so I'm trying to speed paint. Trying to get as much done today as I can. I wouldn't recommend speed painting, but sometimes you just got to. Got to do what you got to do sometimes. Got a smaller one right here. We're just going to keep doing this while I'm going to go all the way across. Okay, I've been working on this a little bit. I got some background trees in, got my water in. I'm going to work on this land right here. I'm going to have a path down and through here. This big tree right here and a couple smaller trees. But I want to go ahead and get some of this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some random mix of colors. You've seen me do this before. But I'm just going to take a random mix of colors and start putting them where I think they need to be. And then I'll mix them all up. I like doing it this way because, you know, grass is not solid green, for an example. It's got all kinds of different colors in it. But you have to look sometimes. You have to look closely at things. When you paint, you look at things a little differently, I guess is what I'm trying to say. You have to really look deep at things to see all the colors that's involved. And you'd be surprised at all the colors. Even just looking at somebody's lawn. All the random colors, the blues, the different color greens, yellows, sometimes white. This path, I'm going to go ahead and kind of mark it out, I guess. It's almost marked out right here. It's going to be kind of a curvy path, as you can see. And it's going to drop out of the picture probably down in there. Now on this side, kind of goes like this. Kind of drops out right in there. So all this in here is going to be green. Okay, I'll take my 1-inch brush here in a second and I'll mix every bit of this up. I'm going to get some blue down here in the corners and the edges, especially corners, should be a little darker. Because it's closer, right? Okay, I've been working here a little bit. I got me a few rocks right there. I've got some of this, I got some pine trees, some of this right there. I am going to work on some grass. And I'm going to start right here. The sun should be coming down this way. That's so important to remember. I can't stress how important that is to remember. So we're going to put our highlights, our brightest colors down here toward the edge. And down along through here, see, probably, maybe we'll start right in here. And I'll switch to darker colors as I move toward my left. These are definitely brighter right through here. I'll just kind of bring it down right there. Probably bright along this edge here. in here around that tree. I'm gonna highlight these pine trees maybe after I do this, but I wanted to get this grass in first because I figured I would get some on the pine trees, and I did. And it's okay. That was part of the plan. Or at least that's what I'll say anyway. All part of the plan. Just bring it on down through here. And it's going to get a little darker as we go out. I'm going to hit this right here again. Because I don't like how that looks right there. Let me hit that spot there again. There, it looks a little better. Maybe right here. Stand back and take a look, okay. Not too bad. Let's take a little ochre. It has a little green in it. That's okay. It makes it perfect to start here. Little green don't hurt nothing. We're just kind of blending it as we go back. And I stomp it with it. I don't like using the 1-inch brush too well to do this. I'd rather have a fan brush. I just, maybe because I've always used one to do this, I don't know, I just like it better. I'll go ahead and stomp some of this in through here. Need a bit down through here. Okay, now let's do some green. Let me start here on this green. I think I had some black mixed in. I don't want black. See how this looks. Okay. Not too bad. See, this fan brush gives it a kind of a grassy appearance. Okay, as you can see, I've been working here quite a bit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a few bushes down in this area right here. I want to get me some black. I believe I don't necessarily want big bushes down here. I just want something. It looks kind of plain right there. I'm thinking about putting one over here, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Let's put one more right here. Kind of bring them together. Yeah, why not? I'll put one here in the corner. Put a bush there in the corner. Yeah, that's probably good right there. A little white on that. Gotta keep wiping your brush off. Give me some more right here. Just a little more. Just so it stands out a little bit. Okay, I think we're just going to call that right there. We're going to say that's good. All right. Okay, I added a few more rocks right here. I put a little dark areas here on the back of these trees. These were too light. And I'm going to take my liner brush. I think I'm going to put some more of these blades of grass in here. I think that's what they need. It's either darker. This looks better right here already. A little darker. I didn't have it dark enough. I have to leave my palette lay here because if I don't, this linseed oil I have on this brush, which makes this paint real thin, it'll just run all over the place. If I hold my palette, it'll be all over me. So we won't do that. Just coming down in here, hitting a little bit. I may put some next to these new rocks. Maybe right here. Let's just see what happens. Maybe a little more right there. Yeah, we're about finished here with this one. I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. Just a little bit more. You gotta be careful. You'll sling this stuff is so thin. It's like ink. Sling it all over the place if you ain't careful. Be real careful with it. It'll run and go everywhere. Okay, I think that looks better. I don't like this brown one right here. Okay, about wraps it up. Well, I guess that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed our painting today. I enjoyed doing it. And for more future videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.